Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is the DS1632 drum sander. It has a powerful 1100-watt motor and can sand timber 16-inch wide with one pass and 32-inch wide with two passes. After planing timber, the drum sander can be used to complete the finishing process. The workpiece is fed through the sander on a powered conveyor belt with a variable speed control to achieve an optimum finish on all timber types. The single pass capacity of the machine is 16-inch 400mm. However, by removing the side plate, which is fitted with a quick release mechanism, the workpiece can be fed through the now open end of the sander, giving a capacity of up to 800mm 32-inch, making two passes. The height of the sanding drum is adjusted using a large hand wheel and the position read off the scale, which is graduated in both millimeters and inches. Changing the sandpaper wrap is a simple task which requires no tools. Our sanding wraps are pre-cut with a taper, which is clamped into each end of the drum. If you're using a sandpaper roll, you will need to make a template and cut the tapers before fitting. Mobility is no problem thanks to the wheels and lifting handles provided. Dust extraction is achieved by connecting the 100mm diameter elbow above the drum, shown here using our magnetic cuff system. The DS1632 comes fitted with an 80 grit sanding wrap, floor stand, wheels and lifting handles, dust port elbow, and runs on a standard UK 3-pin plug.